Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vivek Vardhan Virapaneni, a consultant pulmonologist and allergist at Shwasa Hospital, Narayanguda, Hyderabad. Smoking, it's one of the biggest pandemic that we are facing since many years. So, smoking pandemic is something that's very serious. It kills more than 8 million people every year, and in that 1 million people are second-hand smokers. That is, when you smoke and release that smoke, the person who inhales, the person next to you who inhales it is a second-hand smoker. Even they are dying without their mistake. Smoking is a disease that kills a lot of people. I call it a disease because it's a habit, it's an addiction, and finally it's a disease. That is how it's turning to be for most of the smokers. When you smoke, changes start in your body from the first second itself. Your heartbeat increases and the amount of cholesterol that deposits in your blood vessels increases. Your blood vessels become narrow and your blood pressure increases. Apart from that, long-term complications are a myriad. There are many complications starting from as simple as a change of the color of the fingers, lips, teeth, staining, from hair loss, from major complications like lung diseases, COPD, cancers of almost more than 20 different areas is seen with smoking. More than 50 types of cancers are known to be caused by smoking, and it has more than 7,000 different chemicals, of which many are carcinogenic. That means they can cause cancer. Okay, you all would have heard of smoking, the dangers associated with it, and all this all over. Like even in theaters, we see that smoking is bad. But how do we help the person who is a smoker and who wants to quit smoking? Smoking is dangerous. Even he knows that. Smoking causes lung diseases and cancer. Even the smoker knows that, but he's helpless. He's not able to stop it. What to do? What he can do is resist himself. But there is something in the mind that tells you, go take one more cigarette. It's called as craving. That person will crave for more and more cigarettes. And he literally feels helpless in the situation. This is where we play a role as a pulmonologist, as a doctor who tell you not to smoke, and as a doctor who tell you there is support for you, there is help for you. We are here to help you to quit smoking. You have to strongly make your mind that you're going to quit. There's something called as pre-contemplation and contemplation. Then is the time where you get that real feeling that you're going to stop smoking. Then we will help you with the medicines. There are tablets that helps you to quit smoking. There are different varieties of tablets, starting from nicotine chewing gums to nicotine patches to lozenges to even nicotine. Other category of medicines are like varenicline and also buprenorphine. We commonly use varenicline, which is available in the market, and that medicine, when taken according to the dosage, there are starter packs and also maintenance packs. They will help you in quitting smoking. Once you take those medicines, you won't even feel like smoking a cigarette. So that there are very good studies that support that. It has a very high success rate. There are, of course, some very rare side effects, but it's worth trying. You will know whether it's suiting your body or not in the first initial days. When your psychiatrist or a pulmonologist or even a physician advises you to quit smoking, you can try without medicine first. But somehow you're not able to do that. You're not able to quit without the help of medicine. Then you are a person who needs help. You need to approach your doctor again and tell him, doctor, I really want to quit, but my mind is not letting me to think anything else. I just think about cigarette. I just want to smoke. I want to smoke every half an hour. I want to smoke every 15 minutes. Once I wake up in the morning, I want to smoke. Once I go to bed, before that, I want to smoke. When I'm stressed, I need a smoke. When I'm happy, I need a smoke. When I'm confused, I need a smoke. When I need ideas, when I need to break something, when I need to make something, whatever it is, I need smoke. So that is how some patients really feel, and there is good help available for you if you are that person. So feel free to approach your pulmonologist or even a psychiatrist. They will help you quit smoking. There are very good medicines available right now. And once you start once you stop quitting, the benefits start within 1 second. Just like how the dangers start after smoking within 1 second, that is how the benefits start once you stop smoking. Once you stop smoking, your blood pressure decreases, your heart rate decreases slowly, all the other changes begin to happen, and over a few years, your risk of developing lung diseases will decrease and you'll match the normal population. Your risk of developing lung cancers or other cancers will decrease, and the risk will decrease within 10 years of stopping smoking, and your lungs will start to heal. You won't have that smoker's cough anymore, or you won't have the risk of developing COPDs or any other lung diseases that are associated with smoking, like other ILDs. So overall, there are only benefits of quitting smoking. There are no dangers of quitting smoking. Some people say, can we quit smoking in one day? Yes, you can. The cigarette that you had just now can be your last cigarette. It doesn't have to be like you have to stop from 20, you have to come 15, 10, 5. There's nothing like that. That doesn't really work, because you always bargain. You bargain with yourself saying, this is my last cigarette today, or tomorrow is my last day, or next week is my last week, or probably till New Year I'll smoke, after that I'll stop smoking. All this is just your mind bargaining with your brain. So, but it's all one, it's all you. So it's useless. So just, if you want to quit, just quit right away. Make your mind very strong. Take the help of your doctors, and then you will be an inspiration to many people. You will inspire many people to quit smoking. If you are a chain smoker and if you stop smoking, if you quit, then you will become a big inspiration to many other smokers to quit. So there are medicines and there is counseling. There are doctors to help you. Smoking is dangerous. You all know that. I know that. But you all should know that you have good help. There are good medicines. Your first cigarette would have been with your friend, just for fun, or just you wanted to try because out of curiosity you want to know how it feels. But you may end up being a chain smoker. That's because it's highly addictive. Addiction potential of smoking, that is nicotine, that is a compound that is there in that tobacco, is as high as that of cocaine. So literally you'll be as addictive as a drug addict. So it's very dangerous to smoke cigarettes. Not only smoking, but also taking any form of tobacco like chewing tobacco, gutka, pan, zardas. All these are dangerous because all of them have a common thing in them, that is tobacco. We have a smoking cessation clinic that runs every single day to help many smokers quit smoking. Till date, many people have quit smoking and they're living happily. We not only give you medicines but also counsel you to help you quit smoking, because we know that smoking is extremely dangerous not only for you but also your family members. If you are smoking indoors, that means the smoke is going to stay there for many days without you noticing it. And your kids or other people at house are at increased risk of exposure to that smoke. Then there are second-hand smokers. That will increase the risk of development of asthma in kids and many other diseases, including pneumonias in adults and rarely cancers. So I urge you all to quit smoking if you are a smoker, and if you're not a smoker and someone whom you know is a smoker, it's worthwhile to share this video, and once they watch this, they will get a hope that I'm not helpless, I have help, I can try these medicines. Share this video to people whom you think will benefit from this, people or friends who are smokers and want to quit but are not able to, family, friends, so that more people will know that there is a good treatment available. Thank you.